In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a rich text module in HubSpot. If you're ready to enhance your website's content with structured tables, then you've come to the right place. First and foremost, you'll need to open HubSpot and make sure you are logged into your account. This is an essential step because, without access to your account, you won't be able to proceed with any modifications to your website pages. Once you're logged in, your journey begins by navigating to the trial guide. The trial guide is a wonderful source where you'll find all the resources necessary to begin your form building process. It's a fantastic feature within HubSpot that equips you with valuable tools and guidelines to enhance your website management experience. Now, on your homepage, direct your attention to the content section. From there, you'll want to select Website Pages. This is where all your existing pages reside, and it's here you'll decide which specific website you intend to edit. A list will populate, showing your available websites. Simply choose the one you wish to modify and click on it. At this point, you're ready to insert new content. Locate and click the plus icon. This little button is your gateway to adding various elements to your page, enabling you to customize it to meet your specific needs. From the content options presented, select Rich Text. This is the module where we'll focus on inserting your table. It offers a flexible space where you can freely add, edit, and format your content. Simply drag and drop it onto your designated page area. This is where you'll add your table, bringing structured and organized information to your site. To insert your table, you should have a CSV file ready. Copy your table from the CSV file and paste it into the Rich Text module. This action seamlessly transitions your data into a format that's both accessible and visually appealing. With your table now in place, you have the creative freedom to modify it as you see fit. You can change the colors to match your branding or alter the fonts to improve readability or aesthetic appeal. Customization is key, and HubSpot provides the tools you need to make your table fit perfectly within your web page's design. Finally, click on Insert. This option allows you to explore various other elements that you might also like to add to your page, enriching the content further. From images to links, the possibilities are vast, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully inserted a table into a rich text module in HubSpot. Utilizing tables is a fantastic way to showcase information clearly and effectively, enhancing the user experience for your website visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy content creating.